Before we start, here's a simple challenge for you. Don't just listen. Answer. Think. Speak. Repeat.
Because today, you're going to test your English. And the best part, it only takes about 7 minutes.
By the end of this episode, you will know how strong your English really is. Can you understand simple conversations? Can you choose the correct words? Can you respond quickly?
Let's find out.
Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm David.
And today we have something different.
Yes, today is not just a lesson.
It's a test.
A short English test.
A 7-minute challenge.
We'll ask questions.
Give you situations.
And small conversations.
Your job is simple.
Listen carefully.
Think about the answer.
And say it out loud.
Don't worry if you make mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
This test is designed for beginner to intermediate learners.
So relax.
Grab a pen if you want.
Or just answer in your mind.
Ready?
Let's start with part 1.
Vocabulary.
We'll say a sentence with a missing word.
You choose the correct word.
Question 1.
I drink coffee, blank, the morning.
Is it A, in, B, on, C, at?
Think about it.
The correct answer is
In.
we say in the morning.
Good.
Question 2.
She, blank, to work every day.
A, go, B, goes, C, going.
Think for a moment.
The correct answer is
Goes.
because she needs the S.
Nice work.
Question 3.
Yesterday, I blank a movie.
A, watch, B, watched, C, watching.
The correct answer?
Watched.
Because it happened yesterday.
That's the past tense.
Let's move to part 2.
Listening and understanding.
We will say a short sentence.
Then ask a question.
Listen carefully.
Sentence 1.
John wakes up at 6 every morning.
Question.
Does John wake up early or late?
The answer is
Early.
6 in the morning is early.
Sentence 2.
Sarah works in a hospital.
Question.
Where does Sarah work?
The answer?
In a hospital.
Very good.
Sentence 3.
They usually eat dinner at 8 p.m.
Question.
What time do they eat dinner?
Answer.
At 8 p.m.
Excellent.
Now, let's increase the difficulty a little.
Part 3.
Conversation understanding.
Listen to the dialogue.
Then answer the question.
Conversation 1.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. Just a little tired.
Why are you tired?
I slept very late last night.
Question.
Why is the person tired?
Think about it.
The answer is
Because they slept late.
good job.
Conversation 2.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm visiting my parents.
That sounds nice.
Yes, I don't see them often.
Question.
Where is the person going this weekend?
Answer.
To visit their parents.
Perfect.
Now, let's test your grammar.
Part 4.
Choose the correct sentence.
Question 1.
A. She don't like coffee.
B. She doesn't like coffee.
Which is correct?
The correct answer is
She doesn't like coffee.
because with she, we use doesn't.
Question 2.
A. I am go to work.
B. I go to work.
The correct answer is
I go to work.
nice.
Question 3.
A. Did you watched the movie?
B. Did you watch the movie?
The correct answer is
Did you watch the movie?
after did, we use the base verb.
Now, let's test your speaking thinking.
Part 5.
Real-life questions.
You answer using a full sentence.
Question 1.
What time do you wake up?
Try answering.
Example answer.
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
Question 2.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Example answer.
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Question 3.
What do you do in the evening?
Example answer.
I watch TV or read a book.
Your answer may be different.
And that's okay.
The important thing is speaking.
Now, let's try a quick listening challenge.
Listen to this short story.
Mark wakes up at 7 a.m. He drinks coffee and eats breakfast. Then he goes to work. In the evening, he goes to the gym and cooks dinner.
Now answer 3 questions.
Question 1.
What time does Mark wake up?
Answer.
7 a.m.
Question 2.
What does he do in the morning?
He drinks coffee and eats breakfast.
Question 3.
What does he do in the evening?
He goes to the gym and cooks dinner.
Excellent. Now, let's count your results.
If you answered most questions correctly,
Your English is strong at the beginner level.
if you understood the conversations easily,
You are moving into intermediate level.
if some questions were difficult,
That's completely normal.
language learning takes time.
Practice makes progress.
The key is consistency.
Listen every day.
Speak every day.
Even 10 minutes helps.
Before we finish, here's a quick bonus challenge.
Repeat these sentences.
I speak English every day.
I practice listening.
I learn new words.
I improve step by step.
Confidence grows with practice.
And mistakes help me learn.
If you can say these sentences clearly,
You're already improving.
that's the goal.
Small progress every day.
So, how did you do on the test?
Did you answer most questions correctly?
Or did you discover areas to improve?
Either way, today was useful
Because testing yourself shows your level.
and helps you grow.
That's all for today's episode.
If you enjoyed this English test, listen again and try to answer faster.
Repetition builds fluency.
And fluency builds confidence.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
Bye.
Bye.